Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. We had some Christmas Eve chaos, so today we're going to get down to the root of the matter, literally. We're talking about root damage in large trees, something that we see way too often in this profession. So let's dig in and have a chat about it. Welcome back, guys. Tree roots are more than just underground straws. They're vital for stability and health. But here's a surprising fact. The damage they suffer doesn't always show up right away. It can take months or even years for a tree to show signs of distress. Listen, root damage happens and it's not always obvious. Think construction sites or even your garden renovation. Did you know that even parking a heavy truck near a tree can compact the soil and harm the roots? I've seen trees decline because someone wanted a driveway way too close to their tree. So how do we base our decisions on what's too close, what's too far away? Well, let me tell you. The ANSI A300 standards are like a rule book for professional arborists on managing and protecting tree roots. It's really and truly a go-to for best practices. Always remember, different trees respond differently to root damage. Some are tough cookies while others are more sensitive. Check out this oak tree that fell across the road. It's a water oak and it responds horribly to construction damage. If a tree is struggling after root damage, you'll see signs like wilting leaves or branches dying back. Helping a tree recover is a delicate task. Water, mulch, but most importantly, give it space and time to heal. Remember, patience is key in tree care. Preventing root damage is crucial. I always advise people to think twice before digging near trees. And it's not just me. The ANSI standards for tree care are pretty clear on this as well. The ANSI standards also guide us in everything from assessing damage to preventative care. Have you ever dealt with root damage in your trees? Share your story in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more and share with others. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy tree. Until next time, keep your trees happy and healthy. Thank you for tuning in. Dive into the resources below in the video description for more tree care tips. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.